Huawei P40 series. A new vision for what a smartphone can be. This is not just a step forward in smartphone photography, it's a whole new dimension. See more than ever before with the world's first ultra-vision Leica pentacamera. The Huawei quad-curve overflow display is elegantly rounded from edge to edge. With a custom-developed nanotech ceramic body, it's incredibly strong, but feels delicately smooth. The Huawei Ultra Vision sensor gives you 24 hours super definition photography. Intricate details turn every crop into a story. At any time, day or night. The most advanced dual optical super zoom array technology will take you even closer to the moment. Shoot in 3 times, 10 times, even 100 times. The 40-megapixel Cine camera delivers pro-level ultra slow motion, so you can dramatically slow down time. Immerse yourself in the moment with audio zoom. The closer you zoom, the clearer the sound. We know every photo you take has the potential to become your masterpiece. The P40 series AI neural processing edits out unexpected guests. Take your time and focus on what matters to you. Because the AI recommendation assistant will bring you the best possible photo. It adapts to all paces of life. Download everything you need before you take off. With just a touch, your phone and laptop become one. The new front camera system has a 32-megapixel selfie camera. It also has depth sensing, which powers the AI gesture control. All of this power comes from the Kirin 990 5G SoC. Power up hassle-free. Experience visionary photography.
Year 2020, we bring you the new P40. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Huawei P40, P40 Pro, and the P40 Pro Plus. The first time we introduced the nanotech ceramic. This is a new color, ice white, deep sea blue, the classic black, the silver forest, blush gold, the ceramic white, the ceramic black. Today on P40, we bring you the most powerful ultra vision Leica camera. We upgrade the sensor on the P40 Pro to RRV sensor. 40% more light intake, better telephoto capability. It achieves 10 times optical zoom, 20 times high zoom, and 100 times maximum zoom. P40 Pro Plus is a really amazing camera. The camera monster. But today on P40 series, we will also bring you the most powerful, intelligent front camera. We also bring you visionary videography. On this phone, we have 3 all-direction microphones with our beamforming algorithm. So it's really amazing directional audio room. The Huawei P series smartphone also bring you the powerful performance. And the world's fastest 40-watt wireless supercharge on smartphone. We also bring you a visionary experience with the EMUI 10.1 and also the new vibrant AOD.
Hey Celia. Huawei Me Time. Huawei Share.
Huawei App Gallery have 400 million monthly active users and the developers over 1.3 million. The Huawei Sound X, Huawei new Watch GT, Huawei Watch GT 2E, Gentle Monster. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Huawei P40 series with our powerful camera technology, bring you the visionary photography.